Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, green color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color. Let's learn some alphabets. A. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for house. I for iron. J for jam. K for king. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for pen. Q for question. R for rainbow. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching.